A carbide burr tool is highly effective for aluminum port and passage work because it allows technicians and performance builders to precisely enlarge, shape, and smooth internal ports, passages, and channels in engine and industrial components made from aluminum. Aluminum is widely used in intake manifolds, cylinder heads, throttle bodies, and various industrial housings due to its lightweight properties and excellent thermal conductivity. However, cast or machined aluminum parts often contain restrictions, rough internal surfaces, and casting imperfections that can limit airflow or fluid movement. A carbide burr tool mounted on a high-speed die grinder enables controlled material removal, allowing the operator to carefully open up restrictive areas and refine internal pathways without compromising the structural integrity of the component. In port and passage work, a carbide burr tool is particularly valuable for improving flow efficiency by smoothing transitions and reducing turbulence within aluminum components. Air, fuel, coolant, or other fluids moving through these passages perform more efficiently when internal surfaces are clean, consistent, and free of abrupt changes in direction or rough textures. By using a carbide burr tool, technicians can gradually reshape ports to create a more streamlined flow path, which enhances performance in engines by improving volumetric efficiency, throttle response, and overall power output. In industrial applications, smoother passages can also improve cooling efficiency, hydraulic performance, or fluid transfer rates, depending on the system design. A carbide burr tool is also essential for accessing and refining complex internal geometries that are common in aluminum components. Many intake and exhaust passages include tight bends, narrow channels, and deep cavities that cannot be reached with conventional grinding or sanding tools.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.